Yes.
Good evening.
Good evening. You want to get close to the microphone? Get close.
Yeah. I am not speak English. I am speak English Arabic.
Okay.
My daughter helped me.
Hi. Now, you're going to help us out with your mommy? You're going to talk to your mommy in your language?
Yeah.
Okay. Tell your mommy that she is charged with speeding.
انتي مأسرعة كتير بابا مأسرع بالهايوي.
Now ask her if there's anything she wishes to tell me and tell her to speak into the microphone. And then you will tell me what she says, okay?
لما هذا تحكي احكي بالعربي وأنا بقول له شو.
اللي لا I am sorry, ma'am. I'm sorry. I understand. I am live here in 3 years. اللي لا هي ما بتعرف بالقوانين هي إلى هون 3 سنين.
She said she doesn't know what the rules is, so that's why she doesn't understand.
All right. Tell her she was speeding in a school zone and if there's anything she wants to tell me about that.
لحقني كنت أنا مريضة يوميتها.
She said she was going fast because I was sick, so that's why she was fast.
That's why she went fast, because you were sick.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, come up here. Okay, now tell us your name
Marca,
and how old are you?
8 years old.
And where do you go to school?
Greystone Tiger.
What is your favorite subject?
Math.
Math. That's excellent. What do you want to do when you get big?
Be a doctor.
A doctor. She's going to be a doctor. We're going to need her. Okay? Okay. Now, did you hear your mother's explanation?
Yeah.
You heard it. All right. Now, what do you think of that explanation? Was it a good explanation? Was it just okay? Or is this something that you think is worthwhile of consideration? What do you think?
I think it's just okay.
It's just okay. She don't think your explanation was that good. It was just okay, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if you had to make a decision, you'd have 3 decisions. You could charge her $50. You could charge her half of that, or you could charge her nothing. Now, based on her explanation, how much would you charge her?
$50.
$50. Hold that. Bang it and say $50.
$50.
Okay.
High five.
She's a law and order doctor. Okay, now I'm going to ask you another question. Would you reconsider your decision because she came in here? Now, is your dad here as well?
Yeah.
Okay, so your father is here and your mom is here. And taking all of that into consideration, would you reconsider your decision? Or are you going to stick with the $50?
Reconsider.
You're going to reconsider? Okay. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Okay. So upon reconsideration, how much do you think you want to charge her, if anything?
Nothing.
You want to charge her nothing? Well, then you have to bang the gavel and say,
Case dismissed.
wow. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
You have a wonderful daughter here. She's going to be a great doctor someday. She's going to save a lot of lives, and I'm sure she makes you proud now. She's going to make you even more proud.
Yeah.
But you've both performed a great service raising such a wonderful young child. So God bless both of you. Good luck to you. Thank you for helping me out.
You're welcome.
Okay. What language do you speak?
Arabic.
Arabic?
Yeah.
Well, I wish I could help. I don't speak Arabic, but
I am family in New here.
you have family here?
3 here in New America.
3 years in America?
Yeah. I'm sorry.
And where are you from?
Syria.
Syria?
Yeah.
How many children? Just this one child?
Yeah.
Yeah. Where do you prefer? You prefer living here or Syria?
Yeah.
أي شيء بتحب سوريا؟
No, here.
Here, huh?
Here. Good. Yeah.
Well, welcome to America.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. And I love people here very much.
Okay.
Thank you.
When Mohammed Al-Farais walked into a Providence courtroom one evening, nobody could have predicted what was about to unfold. His wife had been charged with a speeding violation, a routine case on paper. But the moment the judge asked her to approach the microphone, it became clear this was anything but routine. She could barely speak English. The courtroom fell quiet. What was supposed to be a straightforward hearing suddenly had no clear path forward. Then, from beside her mother, stepped an 8-year-old girl named Marca. The judge, rather than dismissing the case or calling for a formal translator, did something remarkable. He leaned forward, looked the little girl in the eye, and asked her to be the voice for her mother. Marca approached the microphone without hesitation. She listened carefully as her mother explained herself in Arabic, then relayed every word back to the judge with a composure that stunned everyone in the room. But Judge Caprio wasn't finished. Once he'd heard the mother's explanation, he turned back to Marca and asked her something that nobody expected. "What do you think of your mother's explanation?" The little girl paused, then answered with brutal, hilarious honesty. "I think it's just okay." The courtroom erupted in laughter. And then the judge did something extraordinary. He told Marca she had 3 choices: fine her mother $50, fine her half that, or let her go free entirely. He asked her, this 8-year-old child, to be the judge. Marca didn't hesitate. $50, she said flatly. The courtroom exploded. Even the judge couldn't contain himself, banging the gavel through tears of laughter. But then he composed himself, turned to Marca one more time, and asked if she wanted to reconsider. This time, Marca's heart went out. "Nothing," she said softly. Case dismissed, the judge told her, and placed the gavel in her small hand. She banged it twice. The courtroom erupted in applause. What followed was perhaps the most emotional moment of all. The judge spoke directly to Mohammed, learning that this family had fled the devastating war in Syria just 3 years prior. They had arrived in America with almost nothing: a new language to learn, a new culture to navigate, and a little girl to raise. And yet here she stood, 8 years old, fluent enough to serve as a court translator, dreaming of becoming a doctor. Judge Caprio looked at Mohammed and told him plainly his family had already become a positive addition to their community. Then he looked at Marca and said the words that would move an entire nation: "Study hard, Marca. America needs good doctors, and we're counting on you." It was a speeding ticket that became something far greater, a story about refuge, resilience, and the remarkable things that happen when compassion walks into a courtroom. In a room built for judgment, what everyone